Hey, what is going on, guys? Going to do a quick unboxing of my new iPhone 11. The iPhone 11 is basically an upgrade from the previous iPhone 10R. iPhone 10R, the previous version, only has one lens in the back. The new iPhone 11 has two lenses here. However, the iPhone 11 Pro and the Pro Max, it actually has three lenses, okay? Anyways, I got the color here in yellow. This is the 64 gig. I paid $6.99 for it, plus tax. 64 gigs, but you have a choice between a 64 gigs, 128, or 256. The 64 is like $6.99. The 128 gig is $7.49, and if you get the 256, which is the largest, it's $8.49. Anyways, let me go ahead and open this up. Take a look at the box here. Let's go ahead and open this up. And here is the phone here. Same size and everything as the previous, the iPhone 10R. Same size. The only difference basically is the cameras here. As you can see, one has one camera and the iPhone 11 has two cameras here on the back. All the buttons and everything are the same. Even the size is very similar. Speakers, everything that's laid out on the phone too. The mute button, the volume rockers, everything is exactly the same here. Also the SIM tray as well. Let me just go ahead and open this up. I'll go ahead and fire this up. I'm not going to set this up in this video. I'm just going to give you a quick unboxing and give you an idea exactly everything that comes like in the box. But you can see how this looks here compared to the iPhone 10R. So I'll go ahead and let that one boot up, and really quickly, of course, you always get these pamphlets here, the hello, the sticker. You have the SIM ejection tool right here as well. We have earbuds here, and this is with the lightning adapter here. We get a 5-watt wall adapter, and of course we get the lightning cable as well. So there you go. Just a simple unboxing. And that's what you get. See you guys in the next one.